Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful gym e-commerce website template. Gym clothing e-commerce website template. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest update. And also, if you have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And now, here we go the demo. Please see the top section, announcement section. See the beautiful the nav bar. Also, these icons are in working. I will show you the later, like mini cart, user login and advanced search. First, let me show you the website. And now here is the beautiful the hero image. See guys, the beautiful hero image, just brilliant. Now shop the collection, like category section. See guys, men, women, hoodies and joggers. Very beautiful. New arrivals, sequence. Hoodie, joggers, shorts, oversized t-shirts and training. Now the beautiful build to work section. Bestseller sequence. Just beautiful. Scroll a bit down. Train without limits. See beautiful section. Subsist section sequence, testimonials and beautiful footer. And now I will show you these button working. So first, the advanced search. See guys, login pop-up and the beautiful mini cart. See guys, the mini cart. And now I will show you the website responsiveness. So guys, see responsiveness for websites. See guys, fully responsive, will work for all the devices. See guys, so guys, this is it. See will work for all the devices. So this is it, and like I said, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. You will get all the details inside this video description. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.